Our senior design project focuses on the improvement of the 3D hybrid metal printer. This is located in WMU's engineering campus. What is 3D metal printing? It is a process that combines additive and subtractive manufacturing techniques to build parts from scratch. This type of printing has been researched and developed right here at Western Michigan University. The printer uses CNC machining and milling tools to perform the subtractive portion, while the additive section is done with a separate welding arm.
The welding tool first adds layers of welded metal to create a base shape. Then the welding tool is replaced with a milling tool to remove the excess material from the welded shape. These steps can be automated back and forth until a 3D metal part is created.
The current printer, although functional, can be upgraded to improve performance. The previous fixture for the welder slowed down production time and reduced interchangeability because it was fixed to the side of the machine. Our design team's goal this semester was to improve the way that additive manufacturing can be done with this machine. We used the engineering design process to solve this problem. Through research and testing, we were able to design a product that changes how the printer switches between additive and subtractive processes. Our tool effectively holds the welding arm in an unintrusive way and can be used on virtually any CNC machine to create new welds.
If you would like to see the final design of our project and learn more about 3D hybrid metal printing, you can watch our senior design presentation April 19th at 11 a.m. or in person in room D201 at Floyd Hall.